Hey scrappers, Tom from the iScrap app, and today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2015. First and foremost, make sure you post your prices. Once you sell your scrap to your local yard, make sure you go onto iScrapApp.com and post the prices that you received, whether it was brass, copper, steel, or any other type of ferrous or non-ferrous metal. Let the other scrappers in the area know what you got, and in turn, you'll be able to start to research other scrap yards and their prices to see if you might want to try out someone new. Well, in the last week, we've seen copper prices drop 7 to 10 cents a pound. We've seen a lot of decrease in demand and a lot of uncertainty going into the summer. After that nice increase we saw over the beginning of May, unfortunately, we've seen a bit of a drop down. Why that's happening? Again, there seems to be no real reason other than they say that demand is slow and the traders are moving the commodities a little slower. On the ferrous side of things, we have seen a nice increase in steel prices throughout May, and that's continued so far into June. Prices are up another $5 a ton. Hopefully that trend will continue, and we'll be able to see the middle of 2014 prices hopefully start to creep up here in 2015. The aluminum market continues to fall, with prices really dipping down to multiple year lows. We don't know what's going on. There seems to be a demand for it, but the pricing has really dropped down, and going forward we don't know what's going to be happening. With the aluminum prices already dropping 15 to 20 cents this year, we don't see an end in sight. We don't see too much of a slowdown, unfortunately, so we're just going to have to stay tuned to see what happens going forward. On the other markets, stainless steel prices went up a little bit in May and fell right back down to the levels that they were at. Gold prices have continued to hover around the $1,200 an ounce mark, a little below that while filming this video. But any other metals you want to know about, any other things that we can do to help you learn about the scrap market, let us know. Again, iScrapApp.com. You'll be able to post your prices and see other local scrap yards that are by you. This is Tom from the iScrap app, and until next week, I'll scrap you later.